Hey everyone, it has been quite a while since we've made a video. We've done a bunch of stuff to the van and we haven't really filmed any of it, and we're gonna catch you up on all that stuff probably in a van tour coming up soon. But today I have a special little project going on that Katrina doesn't know about, so it's gonna be fun. Last weekend I had to travel for work, so we took that as an opportunity to take the van out for a weekend and test it out. And everything went really smoothly, but we did find one thing that we wanted to change. If you're following us on Instagram, you probably saw the picture of me working at my computer, and that was at our flip-up counter here. While that was super nice, it didn't leave Katrina a really nice spot to work. She pretty much had to sit right here with her computer and work right here. When we're traveling this summer, we're gonna be doing a lot of YouTube and stuff like that, so we both need to have a comfortable space to work in. So we both came up with the idea to use this empty space above our fridge and under the counter here to make some sort of pull-out countertop. Katrina is out of town today and I didn't have anything else to do, so I decided I was gonna try to tackle this and we'll see how it goes. I got my board and I got some drawer slides, and I hope that's all I need. So here we go. Okay, so here's the space that I'm gonna build this little slide out table desk thing. Pretty big space. We were thinking about putting a drawer here, but it's kind of small for a drawer, and so this is the best thing that we can come up with. When you're traveling in such a small van, it's super important to use every single space that you can, because it's a small van, so it's tight on storage and everything needs to have its own space. So we've had this kind of vacant area for a while and we didn't know what to do with it, and we're gonna give this a shot. We have these awesome little chairs that we got from REI, I think, and this is gonna be a perfect little workstation right here. If the fridge wasn't here, you could just sit and use this as your counter, but that's not an option. So I'm gonna make it as high up as it can go, and it's just going to slide out and you put your computer here and it's gonna be great. One person here and one person over there. Okay, let's go cut our board. Okay, now time to varnish the board. Normally Katrina does this stuff, and so it might be kind of funny watching me do it, but this is the stuff that we always use, and we'll link it in the description. Okay. I also don't know why I start in the middle every time. Because it's clear and it's kind of hard to see. I've seen Katrina varnish so many things, and you'd think I would pay attention. And boom. So I got one coat of the varnish on there. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple hours, do one more coat, and then run some sandpaper over it, and then we can mount it. Hopefully we'll be done by tonight. So while I was waiting, I just went ahead and mounted the drawer slides under the cabinet. It's kind of a pain. If you've ever done drawer slides, you know what I'm talking about. They're just annoying. But hopefully it's gonna work out, and now we just gotta wait a little bit, put some more varnish on the board, put the other part of the drawer slides on there, toss it in there, and hopefully it works. Okay, well, they're on there. I guess go test it. All right, let's make sure we're doing this right. Alright, the lighting might be pretty bad for this, but I just need to see what's happening. Or what's not happening, I guess. Alright, it should go back a little bit further. Oh. I think the soft close. There. Yeah, so I only got the soft close so that when you pull this out, or rather when you drive, it doesn't just come flying out. But it looks like we did pretty good. Test it out with a chair. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So one of us can work here and one of us can work here. That's gonna be great. I don't know, looks good to me. What do you guys think? Next step, get Katrina over here at some point and show her. It'll be a total surprise because she has no idea. But yeah, pretty sick. See if you can find it.
See if I can find it?
Yeah. You don't even know what you're looking for.
No.
You might find it. How long will it take her? Oh, she found it.
Look! How did you do this? It's so cool, babe!
You like it?
What? I love it! Oh my gosh, it's perfect!
Want to test it out with a chair?
Yeah! Are they up here?
Yeah.
Wait, when did you do this?
Yesterday.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why why you were busy.
Yeah.
Look. Oh my gosh. It's perfect.
You like it?
I love it. Oh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I thought it turned out really good.
It's literally perfect, babe. I love it.
And I just used like soft clothes.
Yeah, I noticed that
So
it doesn't have the.
It'll just stay in when we
Yeah,
drive.
I love it. Now I have a desk.
Yeah.
What place
Wait,
do
no,
you
this is my desk.
Or you have a
No,
desk. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
babe. You're the best.
I even varnished it.
I noticed that.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah, good
Do you approve?
job.
Because you're our official varnish.
Did you use our varnish?
Uh-huh.
Oh, so cool.
2 coats.
It's really nice.
Yeah, thanks.
How did you? Why does it look like butcher block?
It's no, it's aspen. It's edge glued aspen. So it's like my desk. You know my desk?
Okay.
It's the same wood as my desk.
Oh, it looks so cool.
Yeah, I thought it looked pretty cool too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It fits so perfectly too. Look. Babe. You did such a good job. We gotta try the roll test. Ready?
Testing how good I
Wow,
did.
now
Oh, you rolled
I
it.
think I did. Okay, there. And then you just drop it like straight, right?
Yay.
Yay!
It's as good as that counter, so we're good.
It is. It's, oh my gosh, I love it. You did such a good job.
Thanks. Took me all day yesterday.
I bet it did. I'm so surprised that you like, we said we'd never do slides again.
Yeah,
remember?
I hated it.
Did you hate every second of it?
It really wasn't that bad, honestly.
It wasn't that bad.
No.
You've gotten so good.
Yeah,
at
well, I
slides
kind
now.
of just threw them in there, and it just worked.
Yeah.
So I kind of got
Really?
lucky, yeah. I didn't do any measuring for the slides.
You didn't? I'm so surprised.
I just mounted them in there, and it works, and it goes in smooth too. It's not like it.
No, it like works really well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a little tight at the end, but that's just because
That's
I
soft
made it tight,
close.
You know?
Too. I feel like soft close.
Yep.
So it like should stay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. So it's been about a month since I filmed this video, and we are now officially living in the van. We've been in it for about 10 days, and I just edited this entire video in the spot that I created in the video. So that was pretty cool. It's working really well. We love it so far. So we are officially living in the van now, and we have some new videos coming up soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. Anything you want to say? All right, see you in the next one.